Frameo troubleshooting audio issues. Experiencing audio issues with your Frameo device can be frustrating. This guide will help you troubleshoot common problems. Focus on fixing no sound and distorted audio issues. No sound. If your Frameo device has no sound, check the basics first. Ensure the volume is turned up and not muted. You can find the volume controls on the device or in the settings menu. Here are some steps to follow. 1. Check the volume settings on your Frameo device. 2. Ensure the device is not on mute. 3. Restart the device to reset any software glitches. 4. Ensure the audio file is compatible with Frameo. If the problem persists, try these advanced steps. Update the Frameo firmware to the latest version. Reset the device to factory settings. Contact Frameo support for further assistance. Distorted audio. If the sound is distorted or unclear, it could be an issue with the speakers or the audio file. Check the quality of the audio file first. Here are some steps to troubleshoot distorted audio. 1. Play a different audio file to see if the issue persists. 2. Check for any physical obstructions near the speakers. 3. Clean the speakers using a soft brush or cloth. 4. Ensure the audio file is not corrupted. If the distortion continues, follow these advanced steps. Update the Frameo software to the latest version. Reset the device to its factory settings. Contact Frameo support for further help. A combination of these steps should help resolve most audio issues with Frameo devices.